Without further ado, let's get this race started. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
Hey, what's up guys? How's it going? All right, we're here at Six Flags. It's a Wednesday afternoon and we're here for the premiere of a brand new roller coaster called the West Coast Raceway. I believe that's it. I'm gonna put it down here. I'll link all the videos in the description below of like the actual ride. We're gonna be getting on it here today in the vlog, and yeah, I'm super hyped. It's really cold and I feel like I'm just hyping myself up to stay warm. But yeah, we'll get B-roll, we'll do all that good stuff, and yeah, let's go. All right guys, so we just got to the portion of the park that's all new for the debut of this ride. It's actually being called the Underground, so that's like kind of the theme. It's like underground racer theme. You got a 488 GTB over there. You got an old classic Corvette right there. I'll show you guys all that stuff on the inside because it's super cool. And there's a ton of stuff, shops, and all that good stuff.
Without further ado, let's get this race started. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines.
Racers is officially open. On behalf of...
All right guys, so as you guys just saw right there, they officially launched the ride. That was the first ride, premiering the brand new West Coast Racers. We're in line right here. It's like a little car customization booth, garage setup. It's pretty sick. You got engine jacks right there, tool sets, all that good stuff. It's pretty sick. What's it called? So yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm gonna put some GoPro onboard footage of actually us in the ride, which is gonna be pretty sick, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, we're up here. There's a little mezzanine right here, walkway. There are the rides right there. So yeah, it's pretty sick. All right, guys, so we're actually sitting in the front. Unfortunately, they made me take my GoPro off, but we'll get some footage. We'll manage it for you, all right? Yo, so we literally just finished it. We were sitting up front. I'll show you guys some footage right here. It was insane. I probably already put it, but dude, it was actually insane. You flip upside down, and it's cool that the way it works is you first go on the inside track, and you get that experience. Then you get put you on the outside track. So there's 2 laps, and then in the middle there's a second jolt, a push forward to get you going even faster. So that's where your 4 launches are in, 2 on each lap, which is pretty sick. So, all right, guys. So I mean, as you guys saw from the footage, a little cut off. They didn't let me put my GoPro in, as like I said earlier, so I couldn't get full footage of the entire ride. But it was actually really cool. Not the fastest roller coaster in the world, but the fact that it does take you full upside down. There's some rollers, there's some accelerations or launches, which they call it. I think it's a good roller coaster. I think it's worth the time. The wait doesn't seem too bad. I mean, today because there's not many people, but I honestly think there's a lot from the ride, and then there's also from the other stuff in there, like the shop and all that stuff. So definitely recommend you guys checking it out if you guys are ever in Six Flags. It's brand new, and yeah, I think it adds a lot to the park. So with that said, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching.
You're not on flash. I can't see you.
That's fine. It's good enough, bro. All right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.